SMRL tools that automate security testing of web systems by applying metamorphic testing. SMRL enables engineers to specify metamorphic relations that capture security properties of web systems. The SMRL compiler automatically transforms metamorphic relations into Java code. SMRL includes a web crawler that simulates user interacting with the system. The data collected by the crawler is used to generate source input. Then the SMRL framework runs metamorphic relations against the web system under test. I introduced the idea behind our running example. The administrator of a system can access the feature-based settings through the GUI. User 1 cannot access the feature through the GUI, but user 1 can still try to access it using direct request. A different page should be shown. What we want to do is to generate a follow-up input where we access the same URLs of admin with another user. Now we describe this metamorphic relation in the SMRL language. The source input are the sequences interactions with the web system recorded by a crawler. This metamorphic relation iterates over on the interactions recorded, and it says that if a follow-up user, in this case user, is not a supervisor of the user who performed the recorded interaction, and it cannot read the same URL from its web interface, then a follow-up input that performs the same interaction but with the follow-up user should not lead to the same visualized page. A Java file is automatically generated for each metamorphic relation. To collect source input, we run our crawling framework. This is an example of crawled data. Now we run the metamorphic relation. Before running the test, we provide configuration parameters. This is a portion of the source input files collected for Jenkins. We run the test. There is one failure. A normal user can start an agent in Jenkins. This is a vulnerability of Jenkins, and SMRL has just detected this vulnerability. Thank you for your attention.